Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get right into this little video. Now, live. What the fuck did you just do to yourself? I have just watched a video of you, and let me tell you, those lips are not cute on you. If they were cute, I would tell you. I don't have a problem with any woman trying to enhance her looks cosmetically. I don't have a problem. But my thing is that you sat there but it's all a skit anyway. You sat there in your skit and came after Meng for her surgeries. And you tell me you go over there and get some damn Botox in your lips? Are you kidding me? Liv, let me say, Liv, you look like a fucking mess. Like, that shit is fucking horrible. Not only that, but you are having side effects. You don't know that? Like, the reason why you got that bruise, that is a side effect. That means that whoever did your lips, they did not know what they did not know what they were doing. That bruise that you got there is not supposed to be there. But I mean, I already know you don't know. They even told you, and I'm pretty sure that they did, not to smoke until your lips heal up some. I said, what the fuck is on her lip? Then what really got me is the fact that yesterday you made the video or whatever, and you were talking. First of all, y'all, oh my God, Liv, baby, don't get them ever again. They make your lips horrible. I'm not even gonna lie to you. If it was cute, I would tell you. That shit is nowhere near cute. What they did to you is not even okay. At all. I don't know which one of your subscribers or whatever, or you know, maintenance man, or you know, Maurice told you that shit look good, because baby, that is not it. That is not it at all. Okay, never ever ever do that again, ever. Okay, ever. I said, get the fuck out of here. Did she just really do that to herself? And then the people in your comments was like, did somebody hit you in your mouth? And I'm looking, your subscribers dumb as shit. I'm like, y'all seen it live. I'm pretty sure y'all did, where she said she got her lips done. And y'all ignorant asses over here trying to start something and make her feel even more stupid. Oh, did you get beat up? Oh, to this, oh, to that. I was saying to myself, Liv, you don't know that they try and laugh at your dumb ass. They don't like it. Nobody fucking likes it. And also, where's your cat Kaya? Yeah, what happened to her? But anyway, so we gonna talk real quick, Liv. So I happened to be watching your video, you know, and you were making a smoothie, and all of a sudden your son decides to come in, right? And he made you look extra stupid because your daughter did it before. All right, let me say this. Okay, so before that, your daughter, you and your daughter, and I think maybe Christian might have been in the car, and you said that you were coming back from Ross. You was like, well, the tea for the day is try hard, and if it doesn't work, then just quit. Your daughter came out back seat, and she was like, no, it don't go that way. It goes, if you have tried your hardest, then try harder. Your kids always be like letting you look, they always be making you look stupid. Even with the other house, remember, your oldest daughter said, yeah, this is like Auntie Raquel's house. Girl, you need to tell your kids when you on camera, don't say shit. So anyway, I'm sitting there watching you or whatever, because you sitting over there eating a whole bunch of frozen fruit and trying to make a smoothie. I don't even know why you're making a smoothie, because you're going to make the smoothie, you're going to drink it, and then when you're done drinking it, you can go right to Burger King and get you a double junior Whopper, whatever doubles. That's what you're going to get. So, yeah, so you sitting there, right? No, you standing there, whatever. And your son comes up and he was like, yeah, my boyfriend, is boyfriend coming over? So when he said that, I said, oh my God. You tried to turn off the camera real quick. No, honey, we heard that. We heard that, okay?
I want to treasure these moments.
Are your boyfriend gonna come? No. He won't come over.
Oh my God, you need to hush. I want to treasure these moments.
Are your boyfriend gonna come? No. He won't come over.
Oh my God, you need to hush.
That was not something that you have coerced him into doing. Like, you know how you got the pregnancy test last time and you made Ryan pick him up and bring it to you? That right there, he put your shit out there without a problem. You get what I'm saying? Just as calm. Yes, he did. All right, Christian. Christian, you are the definitely MVP. All right. Yes, he did. So I'm going to go ahead and insert that clip somewhere in my video. But yeah, Liv, the lips are a no-go. All right, they are definitely a no-go. But I forgot about this shit. So another video, I don't think this was the same video, no. So you're standing there, you're talking about some Marilyn Monroe and some Tupac pictures that you got from somebody or whatever, and you talking about you wish you would have got them bigger. You should have known that, Liv. You don't know how to measure shit. You don't know measurements. No, you don't. But anyway, yeah. So the doorbell rings or somebody knocks at the door. So Liv go like this, put her head, and she was like, so she went to the door. When she went through the fucking door, walked past that camera, myself, I'm going to tell you right now, I was fucking disgusted. I said, Liv walks across with some beige skin tone underwear. I'm going to take it back because literally they was thick. This was a fucking girdle Liv had on. When she walked past the first time, I said, do she have underwear on? Because it matched her skin tone. So she walks all the way past, you get what I'm saying? At this point, I am utterly disgusted. I am pissed. I am mad that my brain had a chance to even give this some thought or to actually view this. Now, I have that image in, you get what I'm saying, my head. It's just been real hard for me. I've been taking Motrin 800s. I mean, I don't know. I'm going to need something a little bit stronger. But anyway, so she goes to the damn door, right? And she opens it up. Somebody has a package for her. Now, I already know, y'all, that I am disgusted. I already know that, I'm never going to be the same person that I used to be watching that, seeing what I saw, okay? So I'm thinking like, damn, I know the FedEx. I don't know if it was UPS. I don't know if it was DHL, but that is fucked up what you did, Liv. It's real fucked up. Because now that man saw you most likely. So now he either got to go home early because he's disgusted, and most likely he is going to have to need medication. Also, he is going to have to take off probably for the next damn week. That is ridiculous, Liv, and that is selfish. Then on top of that, you got your son. He looking at you walk everywhere like that. He probably blown more than we blown because he got to sit for more and more hours for probably the whole damn day. That's probably why when he comes on camera, he is acting like a lost child. Like, it is a part of, having having, you know, a lot of respect for yourself. But the shit that you be doing is not cute at all. The other day, you was burning the fuck out of your hair, passing it through about 15 times with no heat protectant, and you got on a fucking bra. So I'm thinking you feel like, oh, it's a bathing suit. Oh, bathing suit time. No, Liv, no. That's probably why you be getting so many fucking mean comments on Instagram. Because you over there scaring the fuck out of them. First, it was the bra. Now it's the underwear. And now, your fucking lips are bruised. And guess what? Your lips, they are too fucking big. I'm sorry, they are too big. Don't ever do that again, Liv. I'm just trying to tell you, okay? Because, see, your subscribers are going to tell you, oh, it's fine. You look cute. I think I'm going to get me some. Bitch, they are lying. They are not getting no needles into their lips. They are lying, okay? They are just going along with what you got to say. So, therefore, every time you get your lips done, they want to come on here and see how you look every time. Fucked up. That's what they want to do. They want to see the train wreck that you are doing each time. They are probably over there like, damn, that's real fucked up. Last month, she had the upper lip that was bruised. Now, they done made a mistake and hit her tongue. So now you walking around with your tongue with Botox in it. You can't even eat and shit. Let me get off of here. I'm going to see y'all in the next video.